మనం ఈరోజు ఆర్థికంగా ఇబ్బందులు పడుతున్నా కూడా రాష్ట్రం గురించి ఇక్కడ ఏదో విధంగా మనం అభివృద్ధి చేసుకుని ముందు తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి తోడ్పడుతున్న రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు గారికి, యూనియన్ మినిస్టర్ ఫర్ సివిల్ ఏవియేషన్, అదేవిధంగా సహచార మంత్రివర్యులు అనిత గారికి, కొల్లు రవీంద్ర గారికి, వేదికను అలంకరించిన వరుణ్ కుటుంబానికి, ప్రత్యేకంగా పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యులు భరత్ గారికి, సీఎం రమేష్ గారికి, ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసిన గౌరవ శాసనసభ్యులకు, నేను ఈ సందర్భంగా ఇటువంటి ఒకేషన్లో నేను పాల్గొనడం అనేది నేను గర్వపడే అంశం. ప్రధానంగా ప్రభు కిషోర్ గారి పట్టుదల. Between 2014 and 19, he always used to question me whenever we used to meet for breakfast when I was visiting Visakhapatnam. When is it that you guys will move away from Hyderabad and come and settle in Andhra Pradesh? This was a constant conversation that we used to have. We progressed from 2014-19 to 1924. And in his words, when he described it was a disgrace, I know what he went through. I know the pain and suffering. An entrepreneur of his ability, who is leading a team of 20,000 plus employees, whose passion is for Andhra Pradesh and for development of Visakhapatnam and for the people who live here. For a person like that to say that he went through tense moments in his quest to invest and improve the infrastructure facilities here is so saddening that truly 2019 to 24 in our state was a little beyond disgrace. We've all come together through those tough times. I still remember how Pavan Kalyan Garu and I, when we stayed at Novotel, we were hotel arrested for 3 nights for no reason. And that is also an emotional moment for me, because when I come back to Novotel here every time, in fact last night my secretary was reminding me, this is the same room that we stayed in the last time when we got arrested in. So, Kalyan Garu Arozu, when we came here, we just came here to meet with the people, take representations from the ordinary people of how lawlessness was prevailing here, of how land grabbing was happening in this city, which was a beautiful destination for the whole of India. And they just came and made sure that we didn't even come out of the hotel for 3 nights. And Prabhu Kishore Garu, even in that turmoil, used to call me and say, do something and get out of this place because I'm losing my business here. But in all fairness, our moment, those 3 nights was the one which culminated in this bonding. Chandrababu Naidu Garu reached out to Pavan Kalyan Garu that night and gave this assurance that let us all come together and fight, to get justice back into the state, to prevent this lawlessness, to fight for basic needs of the people in terms of expressing our desire or our needs. అది కూడా లేకుండా ఒక ఆర్డినరీ సామాన్యుడు మాట్లాడుకోలేని పరిస్థితి తీసుకొస్తే ఈ రాష్ట్రంలో we all have to come together అనే ఆ జర్నీ నిజంగా ఈరోజు ఇట్స్ కల్మినేటింగ్ ఇన్ టు ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ లైక్ దిస్. I really appreciate Prabhu Kishore Garu for his grit and determination in taking this forward. Chandrababu Naidu Gari vision, ప్రతి క్యాబినెట్లో నేను వింటూ ఒక్కోసారి ఆశ్చర్యపోతూ ఉంటాను. He wants 20% growth in tourism industry. He wants 50,000 rooms to be added to the hospitality sector in the next 5 years. With that kind of a thought process from our leader and Pavan Kalyan Garu, and of course my colleague Kandul Durgesh Garu is the tourism minister, I can assure you that Jansena party along with Telugudesam party and Bharatiya Janata party, we will be facilitators for people like you to come and invest and feel proud that as government we are here to handhold you, to ensure that you have a very comfortable road ahead instead of a bumpy dark road which was there in the past. My heartfelt congratulations to Varsha Garu, Varun Garu, Lakshmi Garu. I remember how much she also shared her passion about Visakhapatnam and how each one of us suffered in our journeys. In the morning I was reminding Prabhu Kishore Garu, the bonding is much more than a government to a businessman. The bonding is more because each one of us have a personal story to share of what happened in the past 5 years. And to overcome that, I think we need investment, a program like this, where we all come together to appreciate the wonderful work that is happening here. And I'm sure Varun, Taj, Bay Sands will be a beautiful project for all of us to showcase and feel proud of. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Manohar.